Hello, friends. Look who's here. It's Lily, and she's ready for a new adventure. Today, Lily is going to explore the meadow and learn about beautiful flowers. Are you ready to join her?
Hi everyone, I love flowers. There are so many different kinds. Let's go see how many we can find together.
Look, Lily has found some daisies. Daisies are white with yellow centers. They love the sunshine.
Wow, look at all the daisies. Can you count how many there are? 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Daisies are happy flowers that brighten the meadow. Oh, look. Over there, it's a rose bush. Roses come in many colors like red, pink, and white. They smell wonderful too.
These roses smell so sweet. Can you say rose with me?
Rose! That's right. Roses are special flowers we give to show love.
Roses are beautiful. Let's find more flowers.
Wow! Look at those tall sunflowers. Sunflowers always turn their faces toward the sun.
These sunflowers are so tall. Look at their big round faces. Can you say sunflower?
Sunflower.
Great job, sunflowers make me so happy.
Here are some colorful tulips. Tulips come in all sorts of colors and bloom in the spring.
I love tulips. They're shaped like little cups. Can you count the tulips with me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Wonderful counting, everyone. Tulips are lovely spring flowers. Oh, look. Here are some lilies. Just like our friend Lily, these flowers are called lilies too.
That's my name. Lilies are soft and smell so nice. Can you say lily?
Lily.
Good job. We're flower experts now.
These are poppies. Their red petals are so vibrant and they love to dance in the breeze.
Poppies are like little dancers. Can you say poppy?
Poppy.
Poppies are cheerful flowers that brighten the meadow. Look at the lavender. Its purple flowers smell so relaxing.
Lavender helps you feel calm and happy. Can you say lavender with me?
Lavender.
Great job, everyone. Lavender is a special flower that smells wonderful. Here are some daffodils. These flowers are like little yellow trumpets.
Daffodils are such sunny flowers. Can you say daffodil?
Daffodil.
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 That's right. Daffodils are bright and cheerful flowers. Wow, Lily. You found so many different flowers today. Let's see if we can remember them all.
Yes. We saw daisies, roses, sunflowers, tulips, lilies, poppies, lavender, and daffodils.
You did such a great job, everyone. You're flower experts now. Lily had so much fun with you.
Thank you for helping me find all the flowers, friends. See you next time for another adventure. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures with Lily and her friends. See you soon.